Have you ever been asked a question by a player that you were certain you knew the answer to because you made it up 6 sessions ago, but you weren't sure to where to find it? That's basically every magic item that I create on the spot. And like any pro GM, I know it's important to evolve your game in a meaningful way, which is why I'm grateful to our newsletter sponsor this month, Tabletop Mirror. They asked me to take a look at their TTRPG Homebrew platform, so please stick around till the end of the video to support me. I love improvising in my games and adjusting everything to fit the table so that my players have a unique and memorable experience. The problem is the bookkeeping. I can't even remember the last time I leveled up my party, let alone some obscure lore or tweaked magic item I gave them 10 sessions ago. And really, homebrewing can be difficult not because the game itself is hard to learn, but because homebrewing in our tabletop programs, or VTTs, can only be accomplished with deciphering the complex code the website was written in. That's not the case with Tabletop Mirror. If you need to create something, you just type it in plain text. Then you can link it through an easy-to-navigate database. It's a game changer in terms of homebrew organization and development, and it's easy to share with your players too. My favorite part about Tabletop Mirror is the fact that it makes the tedious bits of random facts easy to organize. Do you need a timeline or a calendar? Well, you've got it. Do you need to make your own map or upload something to scribble on? That's covered too. It also has a quick and straightforward battle map and VTT system if you prefer to keep things in just one window, or one of your players does. Check out the link in the description to follow their Becker Kit campaign and start homebrewing with Tabletop Mirror.